Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to continue making our game called Monkey Jumpy, or Jumpy Monkey, however you want to call it. So here's what I want to do. First of all, I want to change the size of our palm tree. Let's say it's going to be 35 or something. I know it's an awful palm tree and it's kind of small for a monkey, but that's gonna be our, let's just call it enemy, because if you touch it then the game's gonna end. So here we're gonna add this block. When flag is clicked, go to pick random, go to random position. So it could be up there, it could be even blocking the way of the bananas. It depends on how lucky you are for the tree to be somewhere. Of course we could say go to pick random something to something, but that's gonna be kind of boring because the palm tree is just gonna be, I mean, it's not gonna be too boring, but it is gonna be kind of boring. I want to see if I can capture the bananas from here. If I can't, then I'm super unlucky that the palm tree was in such a boring position. You know what, I'm actually gonna say go to pick random, what's this position? X15 and Y 130, 149. Or maybe, no, let's say go to pick random X minus 93 and then Y minus 21. So here, go to pick random X minus 193. And then we're going to add another pick random block, which is going to say Y pick random 1 to 10, but we're going to change it to Y minus 21. And then now let's figure out the other thingies. So X minus 12 is over here. So minus 12 and also minus 20. Okay, so this is what I want to do. Now let's see how it works. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure I'll be, okay, I am able to get that banana, but I'm pretty sure I'm not able to get that banana. You know? So since it's not gonna work that way, let's see our launcher. We can do this thing. So if, where's our arrow key pressed? If, let's say, right arrow key pressed, then move, let's then point in direction 90, so it points that way, then move one step. Let's see how this works. Yeah, so we can now move the arrow, but it's not going to be one step, it's going to be 3 steps, so it moves a bit faster. And now we can get our bananas from here. And the palm tree is just going to be random position, and we're also going to make the palm tree bigger. Now let's do the same thing with the left arrow, and our degree is going to be different though. It would be minus 90. So the arrow would go either that way or that way, but it can't go up or down. Now we're also going to make our palm tree bigger. Wait, I'm not sure how to shoot then. Because we have these things. Oh, I have a better idea for these. So this is, excuse me. This is not working for some reason. So down arrow, it's not working. And up arrow is also not working for some reason. No, that's interesting. Okay, now I feel like we should just, at the very beginning, we should say, go to x0, y0. Where's our launcher? Oh, here we are. So it becomes in the, like, so it gets to the very middle. And we're gonna shoot from here. But I don't get it. Like, if I... Oh, that's the wrong one. So, this would be, W. So we could play with our keyboard, like the entire keyboard. And this is gonna be... Where is the other one? This is gonna be S. Now let's see. Yeah, that's better. And we're also gonna put them somewhere not in the middle, maybe somewhere down here, and it's gonna be x0 and then y minus 45. Yeah, that's so much better. Like, seriously. Okay. Now we can move on, and we're also gonna make our palm tree bigger. Let's say 50. And it's gonna go to pick random x minus 203 to x minus 218. I mean just 218, not minus. And then over here is gonna be x50. No, x34. I mean, no, that's not x. So that's, yeah, this is gonna be y107. And down here we're gonna have y minus 126. Now let's see how our palm tree moves around. Okay, that's better. We're also gonna set like a time variable. So let's create a variable and call it time. And time is gonna be specially, like, it's gonna be super special. And it's gonna be up here. So at the very beginning, we're gonna say set time to 0. We have a lot of variables. So set time to 0, and then one flag is clicked forever. Change time by minus. No, we're gonna set time to 60, so we're gonna have 1 minute. Or we can also, let's do 20, so it's just gonna be 20 seconds, because 20 seconds is probably gonna be enough. So set time to 20, and then change time by -1, and then wait 1 second. Okay, yeah, that's how we make our time. Our arrow thingy can move around. We have only 4 seconds left. But yeah, we're going to the negatives. So what I want to do is put an if block somewhere. So yeah, forever. Let's just do when flag is clicked forever. I mean, when a flag is clicked, then forever. If time is less than 1, then stop all. So let's get our stop all thingy. And this is a less, like, and we're gonna get our time thingy from the variable section. Now let's see how our time passes and what's gonna happen. Oh, what am I doing? This is weird. Like, this is a very weird gameplay. Okay, so 4, 3, 2, 1. Excuse me? Oh, well, yeah, our monkey would still be able to move, but nothing else is gonna work, cause, like, well, there is no point, cause still there are gonna be no bananas left. It's not a big deal if you're able to move around. Okay, so now let's go back to what we finished on our last video. We're gonna untack the gravity, the fall speed, and the numb bananas. So we're gonna untack them. Okay, so now we want to pay attention to this thingy over here, and at the end we're gonna set gravity to -0.2. Then here's the complicated part. It's a bit complicated, actually. It is very complicated, so pay attention here. So here, after point and direction of launcher, we're gonna set fall speed to 0, then repeat until touching edge or touching palm tree. In our case, it's an awful palm tree. Move launch speed steps, change Y by fall speed, change fall speed by gravity. So change Y by fall speed will find it over here, and change fall speed by gravity. Okay, now let's test our code and see how it works. See, our monkey like coming down. Now let's shoot that banana. Oopsie, our monkey might, oh yeah, times 0. Our monkey is gonna go down. So we have to be careful with shooting stuff, because our monkey might just, yeah. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we should end our game. Like, it's not gonna go on forever. It should end once in a while or something. Oh yeah, another thing I want to do is make a background, because everything, like, art, just, it's not pretty with just nothing. We could do a colorful city, or a city with something, or we could do forest or circles. I don't know which one to pick. They're all pretty nice. You know, I'm just gonna do, I'm not sure. I'll do this one. It looks, oh gosh, that makes no sense. Like a palm tree in there, that just makes no sense. I'm just gonna find a beach or something. No, seriously. Here, this makes sense so much better. Okay. Okay, so, now let's see. I don't think we want our variable thingy up there so it's hidden. That's nice. And now let's make another sprite. We're gonna name that sprite Game Over. So right here we're gonna make a gigantic circle, and it's gonna be yellowish, orange-ish, something. And the outline is gonna be very, very, very dark orange. Like, no, that's red. That's more of a red. Let's say this is very dark orange. Let's just say that. Well, I need to select this and now make it super dark orange. And make it thick. Like very thick. Let's make it 100. Oh gosh, are you kidding me? Like, I'm trying to make this. Are you kidding me? Oh yeah, I shouldn't have made it 100 because 100 is too much. Now let's add a text in black that says game over. Well done. So it's gonna say right here. Whoa. Then I would like to make it bigger and put it over here. I like this font for the game over thing, so I'm just not gonna change it. And down there we're gonna say you used a giant gap. Not giant, but big enough. Hello. Okay, I'm finished with that one. Yeah, our game over thing is completed. And now what I want to do is put our lunches as a large readout. Right, not lunch speed. Hello. Oh yeah. So now we're gonna create a variable and we're gonna call it lunches. Oh, not in capital letters. So we have a variable called lunches, and we're gonna say when flag is clicked, set lunches to 0, hide variable lunches, and then hide. So here. In this, when flag is clicked, set lunches to 0. Where is it? Okay, set lunches to 0. Hide variable lunches. And then hide. Now, we're gonna say, when I receive game over, I know we haven't created that variable yet, not variable, but the message. So let's just say game over. When I receive game over, go to x0, y0, go to front, show variable lunches, stop all. Okay, so when I receive, I already put it over there. Go to x0, y0. Go to front, show. then show. Where's the show? Oh. Show variable lunches and then stop all. Where's our variable? And now let's stop all. Here, finally. Now, one space key pressed, change lunches by 1. So, like when you press the key thingy, the keyboard, like the space, is gonna change by 1. Let's go to the monkey sprite and here. When space is pressed, show change lunches by 1. Okay, that's nice. So yeah, what I want to do now is deal with our messages, because we haven't put the message block, or have we? I'm not sure. Oh yeah, we have. I just named it done, and oh no, I just named it done and I didn't really realize what it was for. Okay, now let's play our game, and we're also gonna see, like, when time is 0, we're gonna say game over. We're gonna broadcast our message. Here, where's our time? Okay. If time is less than 1, then broadcast done and then stop all. Okay, I feel like it's time to test our game and see how it works. I'm not happy I can't move up. Well done, you used. Oh yeah. Let's just do this. It's gonna hide. Let's wait for the time to run out. Or let's just try to shoot them a few times, so we don't have 0 lunches when we're done. Aw, the monkeys too. Okay, yay. Well done, you used 5 lunches. Oh, thanks. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a very long video and a very nice game. If you did, then let me know. See you in my next video. Bye!